Could Snapchat go from 7 where it is now to as high as maybe 90, maybe $100? Let's take a look. Now, Snapchat before used to be at as much as $81 a share, and in 2018 it was below $5 a share. But let's look at what analysts think to give us an estimate of future value. You might already know Snapchat is a social media app. It's an app on your phone. It actually does better in the rest of the world, not as well in the US, which usually is a bad thing, but in this case might be a good thing if you believe that the rest of the world might do better than the US over the next few years. I went to Seeking Alpha and I got analyst expectations. If you look, we can see what analysts expect over the next 10 years. And a few analysts believe that by 2034, Snapchat could earn $2.23 per share. You can buy the whole company at $7 a share. Eventually, it will make more money, as much as $2.23 potentially. Now, we don't know for sure, but we're going to copy all of this information, and we're going to add it to AI. I already did this, and we're going to get some kind of valuation. And by 2034, using investing, forecasting math, using rosy optimistic valuations, it could be a $90 stock at a 40 PE. We just take all those earnings and multiply it by 40. It could be a $90 stock. In moderate to fair valuations, it could be a $45 stock. And in aggressive, high valuation, 50 PE, it could be over $100. So that's 10 years from now. That doesn't mean it can't happen sooner. That would be much more preferable. It used to be $90 only a few years ago. So could this stock slowly go up over the next few years? I sure hope so. Could it go down and test the lows? That's also possible. But if the risk is $2 to the downside and let's say 90 to the upside, that's a favorable risk reward. Let's call it a 10-year trade. Typically, my trades do well after 2 to 3 years. It could be, it could be months or it could be years. But that is my argument. I think Snapchat is attractive right now. If we look on the daily, last earnings report was weak, and maybe there's a little bit of a cup. Maybe there's a double in there. Snapchat has a tendency of hitting the teens, 16, 17, 18, and then pulling back. But, Snapchat will continue to grow, and that will give it a base valuation that will also continue to grow. Let me know if you agree in the comments, or if you hate Snapchat, go ahead and let me know as well. Cheers.